Following the launch of Galaxy A8 Plus a few months back, Samsung launched yet another device under A series dubbed as A6 Plus. The Galaxy A6 Plus comes in black, blue and golden colors and retails at Rs 25,990 exclusively on Amazon. Today in our studio, we have it here, the black color variant of the Galaxy A6 Plus for unboxing. This is Vignesh from Phone Arena. Now let's dive into it. As you can see, the package looks similar to that of any other Galaxy A series smartphones. On top, we have the branding, model name and the infinity display mentioning as well. Turning back, we have a special mention about the display, dual camera setup and a 24 megapixel front facing camera. Beneath it, we have a specifications listed out as any other devices. Opening it up, we have the Galaxy A6 Plus in black color sitting on top comfortably. Keeping it aside, we have the SIM ejector, paper documents, headphones, wall adapter and the microSD cable. These are the inbox content of the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. Now let's set it up and have a closer look at it. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus comes with a sleek metal design giving it a premium feel to it. The phone feels solid in hand but it's quite heavy at 191 grams. The rear side attracts a lot of smudges, so we suggest you to use the phone with the case. The Galaxy A6 Plus sports a 6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED 18.5:9 aspect ratio display with 2.5D curved glass on the front. As usual, the display looks vibrant, color reproductions and viewing angles are good too. It comes with several display modes, blue light filter and much more. Talking about the placement, it has an earpiece, 24 megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture, LED light and sensors on the top. It doesn't have any physical button as the company opted for the on-screen navigation buttons. The left side of the device has the volume rockers and the two slots that have a dedicated SIM card tray and another tray for SIM and microSD card as well. Moving right, we have a power button and speaker grill, while the bottom comes equipped with a microphone, microSD port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Turning it back, we have a dual rear camera setup with a 16 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera and an LED flash along with fingerprint scanner beneath it. Having said that, it will take time to get accustomed to the fingerprint scanner due to its awkward placement. During your initial days, you might tap the camera lens instead of fingerprint scanner to unlock the device. Talking about unlocking the phone, you can unlock the device with your face as well once you get your face registered to your phone. Most of the time it worked well for us. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 450 chipset with Adreno 506 GPU. Coming to the storage part, we have a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of onboard storage. You can also add up to 256GB of secondary storage using the dedicated microSD card slot. Out of 4GB RAM, we got around 1.9GB on first boot and out of 64GB, we got around 52GB free. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus runs on Android 8.2 Oreo on top of Samsung Experience UI 9. This Galaxy A6 Plus packs a 3500 mAh battery and also supports a Samsung Pay Mini as well. We will be putting through the Galaxy A6 Plus to various tests in the upcoming days. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.